video on yourself. You can't enjoy on yourself now, man. You don't stop. And the man never ever tell you to don't dance. Look how you look good and you stand up like statue, so. Come and get one. Play the hey, Polish, when I'm not only girls who get to you. Me I walk around and look at every girl in our wine. Leave your phone and wine. Leave your phone and wine. Oh my God, so walk the wine. Come the man and jam yourself, man. You can't wine. You can't wine. You. Every girl never wine. Yes, them know. But nobody knows the girl never wine. What's up? You're gonna go on your one.
Freestyle, one of the deal with, so right through the year we gave it to you, and we're almost at the end of the year, 4 days to Christmas, and we are dressed up. It's the ultimate party where style and fashion is going to speak for itself, and I don't have to ask freestyle, the decor and the ambience speak for itself, so you know it's a high energy party. But right about now, freestyle, before we get into the video, I'm asking the massive them to just give the video a thumbs up. I beg on you, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, you know the vibes.
Polish, a big woman in the party, yeah? Oh, God bless no one curse. The girl that we have your own money, say, what? The girl that we know, yeah, your friend them look good, say, the girl that we know, your edges split your face, say, what? Every girl walk out now.
Calm them. I want to hear about.
Party time.
I want to hear about. I want to hear about. I want to hear about.
What? So tell that girl, say, use a girl, you're not fight over. I want the blood, hold on there. So for the nigga, what good one, girl? Good one, girl. So tight. Sing, and everybody knows that you want the brand. Party time. So me sing the song. Are you ready? Introducing Vanessa Bling. Feeling your name, what tell them man say. We say the pussy there. See?
One name.
Someone can call out the man name.
Say that.
Ladies, if the man we are sexy, I know the last name. Call out the last name. More ask a question. In a dress up, that's the truth. Every woman in another party what can swear by your people in life. Say two man in another party and never sex you. Go on over your head right now. Two man in another party and never sex you. Go on over your head now. What a blood clot on the day inside. Look cute. When you don't look good already, you can't stop video on yourself. You can't enjoy on yourself now, man. You don't stop. And the man never ever tell you if you don't dance. Look how you look good and you stand up like statue so. Come on, get one. Play the hey, like banana. for your one, your friend them boring. Tell your friend them to dance. Tell your friend them to dance. Me no want none of the stand up and watch your friend. Wine to enjoy yourself, stress free. Ready now, come on, ready. Every time that section I want. One over. One over, yes, so the get up. Get up on wine. Get up on drop. What's a wine? Let me see. What's a wine? Drop. What's a wine? Let me see. What's a wine? Drop. Get up now, man. Put it in section. Put it in section. Engine. Wine, man. Go. Polish, me not know the girls who get here. Me a walk out and look at every girl in our wine. Leave your phone and wine. Leave your phone and wine. Oh my answer, Lord the one. Come them on, they jam us up, man. Anybody celebrating a birthday, make some noise.
One flip by now, one flip
One time for the birthday, bitch. Two time for the birthday, bitch. If you're here with the birthday person, put that birthday person hands up right now.
When I talk about Polish, that sounds colder than the winter in Poland.
I'm so on the piano, liar.
Love me that for free, now I feel this and adventure. They got money, got me, can see more than the gun. Couple get about them so free out of the dungeon. Leave us over there. Walk off the pussy, them some of the bitches are again. If I turn over the dance, champagne for you there. Everything we do from home, we to the time, we get on them in there. We can get them, we got the ones that are under the gun. Family, family, every one of them. Every day we bring it up, we protect you, brother.
Everybody start moving around. Shout! Get ready. Some other boy now should have played them in the house. Some other boy now was should have closed.
When there's a march out on the back.
Look out for book party. Deception Ghana. Don't the pressure December. Let's go on. Go on. On the
Let me tell you why this is a media.
and all the work. Enjoy yourself, my girl. Take care of your pocket, my girl, man. Purpose star, one day your birthday. Enjoy yourself, man. Put the jacket. I've seen you before. You're boring. About 10 hours a day now, you're a young man. You're a star on this one. You're a young man. Watch out with our hand and our job. Push the AK over the wall. tonight. And normally, when you keep the event, then you run up and come up and dirty rice and t-shirt or you want them. Tonight you come out, you don't care about your man. About your man.
Around them.
You come out, my brother. But you know, look at the man bracelet. Money around!
Hold on.
Polish, what is that? Money around! Get out! Go! Get out! You can't buy them one, two, get in that bus and dance. Roll up there! Roll up there! Roll up! Go! Hey, right, I'm supposed to be back here. Anybody there?
Said she love the kind of girl and I care. Plus I'm gonna give her the amount of thing in my ear. So when you be my past pussy and stare, but if you nigga feel mad, then they tell me.
This is the last song. The security say I hit that. Security, we can't just stop it, so never tell them. Mix it over. This is the last song, okay, security? So I have to tell them, God don't want when the music stop. They acting like they don't want to leave. So everybody, this is the last song, and you have to leave, get your coat, get home safe, be peaceful, and be nice. So thank you very much for coming out. Dress up. This is the last song. Have a good night.
No boy, no go round down. Polish. They know a Powa. Downstairs, 10 white, small coffee store. All time kitchen, now my shop for close. 17 shoot up, a shot off them nose. Suck on the mother boy, hear that? I'm a killer, Glass off the toes, I'm a killer, gun pop off the most. Rich long time, we not shot, I'm no boss. LK wind up, we no mix our finger. Remember we full of chips like Pringle. Run the one thing for a single. Hold in the face like Gilgle.
Alright people, thank you very much for coming out. Security never say we have to stop it. So we don't know. March 8 essence. You know people have to.
Legendary Berry. Yeah. That is it. One more. Them for now. Them for now from them till now. See it there. General himself. Man clean him and bucklad. No dirt. That is it. Empress, pick up yourself. See it there, see it there. Youth, close to the kids. What go on now? What go on?
Yo, let me tell you this. Big up Korean. But the man and the woman them a cuss you. Them a say when you come on the scene, them can't repeat them clothes. Because as the party them come out and they put on the clothes, you throw it up on YouTube. But guess what? Me don't care. Because what? Are you a bring back the boys in a dance hall for the serious note? See them? Post the video them. Because you can't. Legendary can't repeat the studio. He can go get on YouTube. Him can't repeat it on YouTube. If I see him on the bite, him can't repeat it. Legendary Berry. That is it. One purple, you know.
And the girl in a circle.
One purple out of the nose a bad event, because the man go a shaky event, so you know what the vibes. And the boss out in the goal and back. Bumper class. See that? I'm think I chat is. Yo, I want to know.
The whole 5-star family on the ground.
See it there? From then till now. Yo. Danny, you don't know any youth. 2 weeks ago was your party and an issue was set one on one part. You don't know people in the stage tune, you see that youth here? It's a youth will support the streets. So I just want to see the event them come up. When I make sure on the look feet, I want on the book feet. See it there? One down here now. That is it, my G. Up to the time. See it there?
Since yesterday.
We are loading a Sunch 2026. You know, see them youth here? Them youth here, some real youth to the street. And them say support. So I just want to see the flyer come out when them Sunch. You don't even think about it, you know, come out and just come do the right thing.
April 19th.
All the date out already. What you say?
April 19th.
Sunch. This Sunday evening brunch, freestyle so that. Up to the time, see there? Boom. And you see them youth here? I don't have the clean. I don't have the clean picture of them.
I want to wear this back before the year done.
Yeah, a year one clothes to repeat. No boy can even repeat my clothes, it's not easy. Ladies, the party name dress up. I want to come out. I'm sure no say want to enjoy yourself. See that? See that? You have a good night, don't it?
Beautiful night.
And that me a talk about, man.
Right there, sir.
That 1 year over here, sir. It come like a fair party, cause she deal with the party away. That me a talk about. The way you party, you must want some food, cause you dance and you enjoy yourself, and you make sure so you go home with your body full of fun. Me not wrong you. You pan the gully, you pan the bank. You go on with yourself. Big up yourself. Yo, so freestyle here one. This is how we are close up. The party, I want the party there, but I know I'm going to sit down and watch from start to finish. Yo, when you're down there with something, I'm going to give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel at the time, you know. Subscribe to the channel, you know the vibe. Freestyle. 2025 was a year where freestyle given the best in dancehall. We go all over the world and we're bringing all of the body event them. We want to 100K, do the right thing, subscribe to the channel because 2026 is going to be a movie outside. So until next time, Freestyle Nation, big up on yourself, you know the vibe. The party name dress up and as you see the people them come out well dressed up and it was a vibe. So here we go on, freestyle check out. So until next time. The time is now. Big up on yourself, you know the vibes out here like normal. Come on!